along the scenic highway along the river. We're going to check out the mouth of the river. That's where the river meets the ocean. The river's up pretty high. Looks like the mouth is closed. So we want to see if they're going to take it out or not. They take it out about 9 feet. This is Scenic Highway 116. Looks like the weeds need cut along the side of the road. It's a nice day, a little windy. I'm not really planning to go kayak down here, just look at the river and the ocean. So on our way, another 5-10 minutes we'll be there. We're still heading down along the river. See, it's a real scenic area. We'll be coming out for a nice view here in a minute. Up ahead is the town of Jenner. Sure looks windy. Very beautiful down here. Very, very scenic. Very small town, mostly second homes for people. There's only a few people live down here. It's where I kayak most of the time. Yep, now we're in Jenner. I usually turn here to the boat ramp, but we're going to go on through town down to the overlook of the river's mouth. Now we're just coming up on the overlook. We're going to take a left here and stop and get out and look at the mouth. As you can see, there's a big ocean out there and it's really windy. Here I am parked down at the river's mouth, the overlook, just above Jenner. Well, I'm at the overlook down at the Jenner. Actually, you go through the town of Jenner up the highway about half a mile, and you're looking up the river right now, and I'm going to give you a pan of the ocean. There's Goat Rock down there, and there's the closed river's mouth. Once the river gets high enough, they'll get in there and open it up for machinery, and it doesn't open by itself. So usually about 9 feet of Jenner, they open it up. There's some seals down there. There they are. Boy, the wind's really blowing me around. Sorry about that. It's that windy. There's a little close up on the seals. They should have some pups down there that time of the year. They grow pretty fast though. The wind's really shaking me around here. Looking at the river, you can see the wind blowing on it. It's really windy, too much for me to kayak. Well, I can kayak, but it's not really much fun. I may go back to Monterey and kayak. Well, I'm at the Jenner boat ramp. Here's where I usually put in the water with my kayak. But as you can see, it's real windy today. There's a state visitor center here. It's mostly a store and they sell stuff. I'm headed back to Monterey, just up the river about 10 miles. I made it back to Monterey boat ramp. The wind isn't near as bad here, so I think I might put in. And I'm not sure if I'll go upriver or downriver, but we'll decide once we get in. So I'm on the water in my kayak at Monterey, just put in. This is looking up at their bridge. Town sort of split, part on one side of the river, part on the other side. So after looking at things, I think I'll head downriver this way. Well, there's some nice looking clouds down there. Doesn't seem to be any rain or showers today, which is nice. Here we have some little baby mallard ducks. They're hiding in the weeds. Mama's there someplace. There she is. Springtime, so we got duckies. Oh, here's another mama duck with some little ones back there. They're sort of hiding from me in the bushes. Yeah, here we have some more mallard ducks. They're swimming up by me. Mallards are usually fairly tame. Out of all the ducks, they're probably one of the tamest. I'm still headed down the river. I'm not going very far, just about as far as you could see, and I'm about halfway there. Taking my time, just putt-putting along, looking for wildlife. Yeah, I see some wood ducks up there. There they are. Little babies. Gonna go hide in the brush from me. Male wood duck here. Slowly moving away from me. A real colorful duck. Pair of mallard ducks. They're feeding. Don't appear to have any little ones right now. We're looking at my destination for the day. It's called the Villagrán Hole. I'm going to go down and sit in my kayak along the shoreline and just watch for wildlife. Take it easy, enjoy the day before I head back up the river. Just sitting in my sitting spot here at Villagrán, looking up the river. Pretty windy today. One thing I didn't expect is the wind's blowing so hard it's hard for me to take videos because it blows my boat around. And when I'm trying to shoot a critter, it's really hard to keep the camera on them. I'll pull in right here by the rocky shoreline and sit for a while in my boat. I just pulled into this spot. It's somewhat out of the wind and out of the current. If you don't want to be moving all the time, you got to get in a spot where there's not a lot of wind and not much current, otherwise your boat's always moving. And that's been the problem today, taking videos. The boat's always moving, so it's hard to zero in on little critters. So anyway, I'm headed upriver there, slowly but surely. This spot turned out to be a good spot to stop for a moment. The moss is holding me in the water and there's not much wind here. So I'll spend a few minutes here before I can continue on upriver. Another good place to stop in the weeds. This caught my eye as I was passing. Rather well done. Nice little spot. Sit there in the evening and enjoy yourself, or maybe in the morning. Moving up along the river, taking my time again as usual. I just saw a big carp in the weeds here, but it's too quick for my camera. I also saw a big turtle. When I went around to get him in a picture, I almost ran over him, he disappeared, and I saw about a 24-inch steelhead pass my bow. That's pretty good. Wish I could get everything, but I'm just not quick enough. How about these guys, huh? There they go. Mama and her little ducklings. A mallard hen. Mama duck there, she's got some little ones in the background. She's pretty brave. Most of the mallard ducks here are pretty tame, and they don't get shot at or abused. Let's see if we can find some of those little guys. No, we can't. They're back in the deep stuff. Maybe they'll come out. There they go. Boy, the wind's blowing me around. Okay. Yeah, we got a good shot of Mama and her babies. Oh, there's a great blue heron hunkered down there. Let's see, right there. He's out of the wind, just sleeping, it looks like to me. Well, nope, he knows I'm here. up right close to the bridge. I'm just about to turn around and head on back to the ramp. Headed back to the boat ramp. Beautiful day. Here I am at the monorail boat ramp. I'm gonna back my car down there and load up, head on home. Maybe stopping in Guerneville to get a little gas and some food, and then continue on to home. We'll see about that. Nice day.